Hi, welcome to Mimi's Paper Crafting. I'm Mimi, and in today's video we are making some fun fold cards. I have the rest of my Echo Park It's Your Birthday Boy collection to use, so I'm going to use that because my son's birthday and my dad's birthday are coming up. I have some red, black, blue, and white cardstock. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so for the first card, we're going to do a little flip-up card. I have two pieces of red card bases, A2, 5.5 scored at 4 1/4, normal card bases. So what I'm going to do is take my paper trimmer, because we all know I cannot use a scissor to save my life, and we are going to cut up let's actually not do it that way. I want to leave an inch on each side. So we're gonna and then turn it and leave an inch on the other side, and I am lining it up on the inch mark over here. It's really nice if your paper trimmer has that. And then I'm just gonna get rid of that piece and get rid of that piece. Okay, so there we go. That'll flip up. Okay, and let's do it to a second card while we're at it. Okay. There we go. And there we go. All right. Now we just need to cut the pieces. So we need a 7/8 inch piece here. Yeah, let's do that. I'm also just winging it, by the way, by 4. Where's my paper? I lost my paper. Okay, here's my paper. Let's do that piece right there, and then that piece for in the middle. Okay, so this needs to be a little less than 4 1/4 I'm going, and then a little less than an inch. And let's not talk about how friggin' hungry I am right now. I'm so hungry. What's on the other side of this? Balloons. So this is then what? This is almost 3 1/2. So we need right here. Sound good? Great. I'm literally just winging it. I really need to stop doing that, huh? And a little less than 4 1/4. I really need to stop doing that. Sorry if you want measurements. That's not true. I can measure them for you. I'll have all the measurements down below. Don't worry. I do know how to measure. Okay. So let's get these glued on. Okay. and then one of these on each side. That dog, by the way, he was out. He was out. What he wants is a treat. I mean, I don't give him treats. He gets enough from other people. He does not need them from me. Why was this piece cut? That one's not the right size. Either is that one. Did I not trim these? I thought I did. I mean, you were watching, right? I trimmed them. Guess I didn't, but I don't know. There we go. And we'll do the next one. Let's trim these. Just going to trim a little bit off the top. Okay. I'm really not in the mood to craft today, but I also don't have a single video to post, and I cut too much off that, but I don't care because I'm really not in the mood to craft today. It is warm in Pennsylvania today. It is supposed to be 84 degrees, and I live in a brick house, and it's already 74 in the house when I woke up this morning, so it's warm. And I have always taken after my dad that we run very hot, except now he's old. I also believe he's right outside my window. Gotta keep it down. I don't know if he has his hearing aids in today. He's older now, and he's not as hot as he was, and I am dying. Alright, let's cut a piece of paper to go in there, and we will cut it to 3 1/4 by 4. And look, I sliced that. Way to go. Oh, that's why. Look at that. That's why it was too short. You live, you learn. I didn't even realize I sliced it. You guys were telling me, weren't you? Okay, I need to find, I swear to God, everything. I can't even reach it. Darn it. All of my paper accidentally fell on the floor. So what did I say it was? I don't even remember. A little less. Oh, no. 4. It was 4 by something. We'll remeasure. But yeah, it's 4 by something. 4 by what? 3? Was it 3? 3 3/8. Okay, yes, all my paper had fallen on the floor. And this chair I'm sitting on has very high arms, and it's very hard for me to reach the floor, so I had to move my desk. Now we're going to glue this in, and let's see if we have any kind of stickers or anything that can go on the front. Okay. What's the likelihood? I used a lot of stickers on my folio the other day. There might be cut-aparts too. This dog, I'm telling you, I am so sorry. He just does not stop. He thinks if he keeps barking, I will get annoyed. And oh my God, that paper now fell on the floor. Hold on. I really hurt myself, but that's okay. Okay. He thinks that if he barks enough, I will give him a treat. You would think he would know by now that that's not going to happen. Let's see. We'll just use this, I guess, because I don't really have anything else. And I don't know where all the cut aparts went to. So we're going to use that. And we'll use this on this one. Okay. Good enough. Flip up. Flip up. You can stamp, right. Okay, now I'm going to clean up quick and we're going to move on to the next one. I have one single piece, just not a card base, just a piece, 5.5 by 4.25. And we have two pieces that are 3 by 4.5 scored at 1/4. We're going to put one here, and then we're going to put one on the inside. I cut this wrong. Give me a second. Okay, yes, I cut it wrong. I wanted it to be 3.5 so you can see it above the other one. See? Okay, so let's glue these on so I can then glue everything else on. I just wanted to make a tri-fold, but not a Z-fold. Just a little tri-fold. Okay. And then this gets glued on over on this side. Okay. Like so. And then I think this will be my last one because people are here again. People. Okay? People. People. Alright. Let's put this one down on the inside. Okay. Where am I? There we are. All right. And then this one we have here. That down. Also, you're going to ask, oh, where do you write? Since I'm using black cardstock, I would actually use a white gel pen and write on this inside flap. That's what I would do. If you want to add white cardstock so you don't have to use a white gel pen, go for it. And then this one goes here. I wanted both these flaps to match, so that's what I did. Push it down nice, get that score nice, and then here I want to some glue on there. And there we go. And then we need something for here. What should we put there? I don't know. Do we have anything? Probably not. Oh, we do have a popsicle. Hey, look at that. We have a popsicle. But I want to give me 1 second and find what I need to find. I want to take away the stick. And I also don't want to drop this basket. So there we go. I have my powder bag. So let's just powder it to take away the stick. Okay. Alright. I got powder everywhere, of course. Good enough. Okay. So we took away the stick. And we're going to just pop that right there. Let's glue that down a little bit better, though. Make sure it's glued. Okay. And Let's do happy and then birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday banner. And there we go. So you open it like that. There you go. You could also write on the back here, and then it stands nicely. I know you can't see it. So we made that one today. And we made 2 of these, which you lift up. Okay, so that's what we made today. And I think I'll be back in another video for more fun fold cards, but there's people here, so that's it for today. Please like, comment down below if you like to make fun fold cards, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. You guys have a great day.